The little Croatian word mi, M-I, has got at least 4 meanings that I'm aware of. Most obvious one is the personal pronoun meaning we in the nominative case. Mi smo u Makarskoj, we're in Makarska. Or negative with some emphasis, nećemo mi ići tamo, we won't be going there. This use corresponds with, in other persons, first person, third person, ja sam u Splitu, I am in Split, ti si dobar konobar, you're a good waiter. So in that sense, me is just one of a set of personal pronouns, ja, ti, on, ona, ono, mi, vi, oni, one, ona. Next meaning is in relation to the personal pronoun ja. In the dative case, ja becomes mini, and in its short form, mi. Same spelling, different meaning. So dative, daj mi jabuku, give the apple to me. Oni će mi telefonirati, he will make a phone call to me. This use corresponds with, in other persons, svaki dan im dajem novac. Every day I give money to them. Oni će nam poslati pismo. They will send a letter to us. So in this sense, it's one of a set of short forms of dative case personal pronouns, mi, ti, mu, nama, vama, im. Third meaning is also in the dative case of the pronoun ja, but it's used to express feelings or emotions felt by me. Hladno mi je, it feels cold to me, I am cold. Sviđa mi se Ivan, I like Ivan. And this usage corresponds with, in other persons, vruće im je, they are hot. Sviđaju mu se oni, he likes them. And the fourth sense is one, again, dative of the pronoun ja, short form many, short form me, but in this case it's used, very commonly used to express ownership. Kuća mi je bijela, my house is white. Could equally be expressed as moja kuća je bijela. Žena mi je najlepša na svijetu. My wife's the most beautiful in the world. For comparison, otac joj ima 56 godina. Her father is 56 years old. Auto nam je premali. Our car is too small. It would be fair to say that these various usages of that little word, mi, have caused me some confusion quite often. I need to get to a point of awareness of these different meanings, and particularly in the context, appreciate which one of these meanings it has without having to sit and think about it for 5 minutes when the conversation might have gone on. Good luck.